can always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. We're gonna go ahead and talk about some stuff that I'm actually deciding to part ways with. Some of these things I actually did buy with the intention to sell to you guys, but some of it is actually coming from my collection. This is gonna be a rapid fire video, so if you guys do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. All the pieces that I show you guys in this video will be sold on Astro Bodega if you guys are interested, and there also is going to be a part 2. Before we start this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, follow Nori.archives on Instagram, and send me proof that you did both of those things to win this shoulder bag right here. It's going to end in like a week or two. You definitely do not want to miss out on that. All you have to do is those 2 simple steps, and hey, like the video while you at it. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. We're gonna start this video off with a Jordan 12 in a size 7. Right here we got the Master Jordan 12 size 7. On the right pair, it looks like they stepped on a thumbtack or some shit, but besides that, they're pretty good condition, to be honest. The uppers are solid, no tears, honestly no flaws besides that flaw on the outsole, but these are probably gonna be $80 to $100. I honestly don't know yet. Size 7. Right here we have another Jordan size 7, Jordan 12 Taxi. These are actually in really clean condition. Y'all can see that white piercing through. I low-key cleaned these up a bit, but they're not even that worn, to be honest. As y'all can see by the outsole, they're actually in really good condition. These are probably gonna go from $130 to $150. Once again, these are a size 7. If you guys are interested in these, they're gonna be on Astro Bodega. Solid ass pair. Low-key, I love Jordan 12s, and I need a pair of these in my collection. Fire ass colorway. So right here we have another pair, and this one is a size 8, as y'all can see right there. Pop this open, and these are the French blue Jordan 7s. These are a size 8, and they're probably gonna be going for like $100 maybe shipped, some shit like that. 100 plus shipping or 100 shipped. These are in solid condition. They do have some wear on the outsole, obviously, but as you can see, they're not torn apart. These are from 2015. Solid pair right here. Come with OG box and all that. Size 8 Jordan 7 French blues. Next up, we actually got a banger with these Jordan 4s in another size 8. These are the alternate 89 Jordan 4s. These are actually solid. These are crazy. I feel like I'm gonna list these from $230 to $250. Condition on them is not bad at all. I just need to clean the outsole, but the uppers are super clean. They look like they've been worn maybe 2 to 3 times. No flaws on these, and they're probably gonna go for $230 to $250. I need to see what the comps are. Size 8. Let me know if you guys are interested. I feel like I would honestly keep these in my collection if they were my size, but solid pair of Jordan 4s. If y'all need these, Astro Bodega. Next up, we about to have beaters. We got the Calabasas Yeezys. These are size 10.5. Honestly, I'm gonna sell these for like $50, $60. Like, I'm just trying to get rid of these bitches, but let me know. Worn, honestly, probably like 4 or 5 times. I'm just trying to get rid of them. Let me know if y'all need these. $50, $60. Come with OG box as well if that's something you need. Next, we actually have a pair of Easter Air Force Ones. These go crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I wore these one time. I really love this shoe. It's just every time I go wear them, like, don't end up wearing them. I wore these one time and I barely wore them. Honestly, you wouldn't even be able to tell that I wore them because I cleaned them. They're solid, bro. No star loss, nothing like that. I cleaned the outsole. I literally wore these in my backyard. These are like super near dead stock. No box on these. They're a size 10. That's the only reason I'm selling them, because I need a 9.5 in Air Forces, so they could be snug, no creases, no none of that. Still haven't fully decided the price on these. They're gonna be a decent price. These did go up, I'm not gonna lie, so make sure you go ahead and see what they're going for. Boom, right here, super clean, not gonna lie, hella clean. And last up for sneakers, we got this box right here, the Toro Bravo Jordan 5s. Honestly, I just can't get behind these bitches. I tried it. I love the colorway, love the whole sneaker, the pass behind it, the whole bringing it back shit. It's just not for me, bruh. Like, the front on these hoes is just way too long looking. I honestly love the shape of the old Jordan 5s. I don't know what they doing with this new shit, but it's just not it. I love the colorway. I love the whole, you feel me, Raging Bulls. Like, I'm a sneakerhead. I love this shit. These right here, the shape of them is just not it. So these gotta go for me. They're probably gonna go for like 210, 220 shipped type vibe. These are size 10.5 as well if you guys are interested, and they are DS if you guys obviously are trying to buy these. Astro Bodega once again. Now I got a couple more pieces that are literally just miscellaneous shit. One of them being these cotton cinch pants. Honestly, these still have the tag on it. I wore these for a picture, and literally after the picture I took them off. They still have the tag, and these are a size XL. I'm gonna probably let these go for like $115 shipped, something like that, you feel me? Something like that, you feel me? If you guys are interested in these size XL, let me know on Astro Bodega. I also do have this pair of shorts right here in an XL. These are the over dyed camo shorts. I don't really remember the exact name, but these are gonna be like $90 shipped, some shit like that. Solid pair of shorts, honestly just too big for me. These are like a XL, and I probably wear like a medium now type shit. So honestly, I gotta let these go. Let me know if you're interested in these. And the two last items, one of them being the headband from Fall Winter 17, the reflective one. This is the reflective headband from Fall Winter 17. I believe these are going for like 140 DS. I've worn this probably like once or twice. I don't feel like I'm gonna wear it anymore. This is not my style anymore. I'm probably gonna let this go for like 70 plus ship. The last item is this piece right here, the shoulder bag. Honestly, I don't even remember. The only reason I'm selling this is because my girl has it, so I don't think it makes sense to have another one. Honestly, there's some more shoulder bags that I'm contemplating on letting go, but I'm gonna save that for part 2, so make sure you stay tuned for the second sale. There's gonna be some tees in there, some shoulder bags. Stay tuned for that, and some more sneakers coming as well. This shoulder bag, honestly, I don't even know the price this is gonna be at, but make sure you go ahead and just check Astro Bodega. Prices will be on there. With all that being said though, man, if you're interested in any of these pieces, go ahead and check me out on Astro Bodega. Everything here is gonna be listed on there, and if you have any questions or anything like that, just go ahead and shoot me a DM on there. If you're interested in anything, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Do not forget to click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one.